right, welcome back, everybody. Part 6 coming at you. Good morning, first off. It's morning here where we're at, so we're not sure what time you're watching this. Look, the guys are behind me already running. So we're getting all this caught up. We're getting it painted. We're getting ready to get on with everything that, of course, you know, you all are ready to see. So let me get you tuned in where we are real quick. You know, coming into the bathroom, we've already got a bunch of things out. That's horrible, so we're going to be cutting all this out. Ain't got there yet. Moved the toilet already. Coming in around the corner, we've already addressed where this old shower was. Keep in mind, we're going to be moving this guy over to here. That was the final decision. If you've seen part 5, you'll know that we said we were going to move the vanity from back here over to here. That was actually switched. I even think I said that wrong. So the toilet's going here. The vanity is going to go back right here, but we are going to slide this down some so that opening that door does not become an issue. Moving on into the shower, we've already got this guy set up. We got the niches back here on the wall. So obviously we got to put all our coatings on, waterproof it still for the joints and fasteners, but it's really coming together. Already got the drywall going on. So we are working on one of the surprises right now that we are dealing with that Glenn, the homeowner, actually knows about. This was not on us out here. All this stuff out here was not on us. This was not part of the job. All we were doing right here was just laying this new floor. So our surprise to Glenn, he bought us the paint. God love him. And we're going to paint all this. He's done so much work already. You know, again, remember, he's a truck driver. So he's been driving a truck endlessly just to come home and work on his house. You know, he had already painted up here on the ceiling and everything. So we're just trying to help the guy out. Let me tell you this before we get into it and get too far. This month, we want to dedicate and give a shout out to none other than Hope for Haley. We hope everybody sees this. We hope everybody tunes in. If you missed that episode, check it out. It's on our page. Always in our hearts, Miss Haley. And, you know, we're proud of you. So we want to keep bringing that up to the viewers and everything. If you don't know about Hope for Haley yet, please be sure and check it out. Just one of the most powerful stories you'll ever hear in your life. So we've got a couple of switches. We are not going to be casting the vanity top. Okay, there's a backup on casting resin right now. It's just going to come in too late. So we have switched that around. We're actually going to do the vanity you know, with tabletop resin. So it's going to be really cool, decked out. We're going to show you how to do that. What we didn't get to tell you the other day, and what I want you all to know moving in, if nobody has seen episode 5, you need to check it out. Miss Teresa and Mr. Glenn is coming through this process. Again, he drives the truck over the road. So he's coming in and out. He's seeing everything that's going on every 3 to 4 days, something like that. Miss Teresa has not been in here since we started, and she is not going to be in here until we're finished. So we're doing the whole blindfold thing. You know, she's really going to flip out. She's going to love it. Coming on in here to the kitchen, let me show. This was not part of our agreement. This counter over here, this counter right here, and this backsplash that we have already taken off, this is our gift and our surprise, one of them, to Miss Teresa. Now you get what I'm saying. So she has no idea. Not only is she not going to see this transform, she's just going to be brought in for the finish. She has no idea. They backed out on the counter at the last minute just to try to save some money across the board. What they don't know is, actually, Glenn, the husband, does know. What Teresa don't know. Where we won that contest a little bit ago, and we did, you know, helping Charles out, showing Charles how to do his own vanity and everything. Well, Countertop Epoxy messed up and actually gave me another winnings worth. So how cool was that? So Glenn and them couldn't have the counter. They wanted to save some money. Because of that hiccup, blessed this way, we're going to turn around and push that forward right to her. So we can't wait for you to see her face through all this. It's going to be awesome. Definitely going to be awesome. So these are the, this is more of an informative video for you today, so you can just see what's going on, where we're at. We are going to be breaking down the counter. We're going to be showing you all that. along with the vanity counter. And I think on this whole episode deal, what we're doing right now, we're going to pick the shower doors. These are $1,000 shower doors. These are not easy to install, but yet they are. So real quick, simple way to install them. Two professionals know what they're doing, about 2 hours worth of work. We got these down to about an hour and 20 minutes. So needless to say, there is a lot of information in there to hang these doors behind the scenes and actually on the install. So we're going to get into all that for you. We just wanted to catch you up into speed. We're getting ready to start with the how-to videos coming up in episode 7. So stay tuned. The finish with Teresa, with the homeowners, it's going to be like episode 8 or 9, depending on how many videos we do on this job. As usual, thanks everybody for tuning in. Thanks for being a part of something cool. And again, check out Hope for Haley. Show her your support. You guys are awesome. We'll see you back real soon.